Students, we have already learned about multiplications by using lattice method, but that was 2 digit by 1 digit. Today we are going to learn multiplications by using the lattice method, 2 digit by 2 digit. Let's see how to do it. If I have given you 59 multiply 63, I have given you like this. Okay. Now how to do this? First of all, the 2 digit number whichever has given 59, I am going to write here 59. 5 is a tens, that's why 50 I have written, plus 9 means 59 is made 50 plus 9. Then let's see about the 63. 6 is on a tens place, that's why 60 will come, plus 3, that means 63 will make 60 plus 3. Now we will do the lattice method. What we have to do for this? Let's see. We will make a columns. Okay. This way we have to make a column. In a first column, we will write multiplication sign. Now the first number 59. 50 plus 9. 59 is made 50 plus 9. That's why 50 we will write here and 9 will come here. Then the second number you will write here below the multiplication sign. 60 will come here and 3 will write below this number. Okay, understand how to write this. First number will come here and second number will come there. Understand? If you understand the arrangement properly, then definitely multiplication is easy for you. But the arrangement is more important. Now 50 and 60 multiplication is very difficult to us. I know very well, because 50 is table we don't know, even the 60 is table also we don't know. So we have a simple trick. 6 and 5 table we know it very well. So 6 5s are, how much come? 6 5s are 30. But here also 0 and here also 0. So this both the 0 we will write here. 6 5s are 30 and this 0 I have written here, this 0 also I have written here. So the answer is 3000. 60 multiply 50 is a 3000. Now 60 we will multiply with the 9. 60 stable till 9 we don't know, even the 9 stable also till 60 we don't know. Here also we will multiply number with the number. Means 6 9s are 54. And this 0 is here. Here is 0 not there. So that's why we will not write. But here is 0 is there. That's why this 0 we will write it. Okay. Now 60's multiplications over with this number. Now let's multiply with the 3. 3 multiplications 50. But again I am telling you, number multiply with the number. 3 5s are 15. And this 0 I have written here. 3 9s are 27. No 0 is here. Not here and there. That's why teacher has not given any 0 here. Okay. Now whatever the answers we got, this answer we have to add. We have to write here 3000. Then 540. Then 150. Then 27. Look at my arrangement of the number. Arrangement of number is very straight. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7, answer is 7. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 and 2, 11. 1 is carry over. 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7. 3, no number is here and there, that's why 3. Now your answer is 59 multiply 63 is equal to 3717. This is your answer. Let's see, student, how teacher have solved the 2 digit multiplications with 2 digits by using the lattice method. It is very easy and definitely it will come in your exam also. Understand? Okay, I hope you understand. Once again I am telling you, first number whichever is given, this we have to do it bifurcation like this. Second number whatever is given, again we have to do the bifurcations like this. Then whatever the first numbers bifurcations we have done, we will write here. मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाजू में जो बॉक्स है उसमें लिखोगे. मल्टीप्लिकेशंस के नीचे जो नंबर का सेकेंड नंबर का हमने बाइफिकेशंस किया है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशंस के नीचे वाले बॉक्सेस में लिखोगे. अभी 60 ने सबसे पहला ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके उसके नीचे उसका आंसर लिखना है. 60 ने जैसे 50 को मल्टीप्लाई किया है उसका आंसर हियर टीचर हैज़ रिटन एंड 60 मल्टीप्लाई 9 हियर द आंसर इज रिटन. 3 multiply 50 here answer is written. 3 multiply 9 here answer is written. But what is the difference you know? There are students doing the mistake. 3 5 30 तो लिखते हैं, सॉरी 6 5 30 तो लिखते हैं, लेकिन ये ज़ीरो देना भूल जाते हैं. If you will not give this zero, then definitely your answer will be wrong. Don't forget to give the zero. 60 ने 9 को मल्टीप्लाई किया, 6 9 54 लिखा, but here 0 is not there, but here 0 is there na, that's why this 0 I have added here. Same thing happen here. 3 5 15 is correct. इधर 0 नहीं है लेकिन इधर तो 0 है ना, तो this 0 I have written in the answer. I hope you understand, and suppose you not understand, we will discuss in the lecture.